hot water. Being pulled up through a flow jet pump, 50 psi. Got a little disconnect switch there, turn off and on. So the water comes in here from the filter, pumps out up into the propane hot water heater. You can see the propane's going in there, and then the water comes out to the shower head, making bearable hot water. I've got it on max right now just to see how hot I can get it. I'm running it off of a little 12-volt battery, trying to see how long a full charge will do. I'm thinking it's going to be a couple hours to probably get out of it. I mounted it on a little can truck I got from Harbor Freight for $29. So it's completely portable. You can use any type of water source. You can have it directly into a lake. You can hook the water hose right to it and bypass the 12-volt DC jet. It's got 2D batteries up underneath here that actually is a pilot light. So all in all, it's a good little rig. We're going to try it out up in the Baxter State Park in a couple of weeks.